Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the chance given to me to present the result of the research I have done. Before I present the research result, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Agun Guntara from Klinik Sumedang. Nice to meet you all at CITSM. The author will present research entitled Enterprise Information System Planning using the TOGAF architecture development method. With myself as a author and Asep Saipani, Irfan Fadil, Vidi Supriyadi as co-author. This presentation is divided into several points, namely an introduction, objectives, methods, results, and conclusions. Next. The background of this research is the world of education is a field that is currently undergoing many transformations, one of which is information technology. The development of information technology changed the paradigm of the learning system where information technology has an important role as a tool in the learning process. The need for in technology to anticipate unforeseen circumstances. Exeget College already has several information systems, but not all of them are integrated. Therefore, an enterprise architecture planning is needed to integrate the system. The method used is TOGAF ADM. The phase carried out in this research include three initial phases, namely preliminary, vision architecture phase, and business architecture phase. This is due to time and cost limitation in this study. Okay, next. For the purpose of this research, namely, first, the purpose of this research is to create a business architecture using the TOGAF ADM method. Second, business architecture is used as a reference in the business improvement process on the object of research and also used for further processing in the ADM phase. Okay, next. The method used in this study is divided into two. First, the author collect data through observation of the object of research, interview with several stakeholders, and literature review as reference in architectural development. Then enter the ADM phase, start from first preliminary stage. The initial stage of architectural planning describe what, who, when, and where the architecture will be designed. The input step from this stage are determining the scope of the company organization, management commitment and support framework, defining and building architectural and organizational team, architectural principles, and implementing the architectural tools used. The result in the space is a catalog of principles that describes business principle, architectural principles, and identifies the role or involvement of stakeholders in architecture. Second, architectural vision or phase A. This is the initial phase of the ADM life cycle. At this stage, describe the scope of architectural development, identify stakeholders, create an architectural vision, and get approval to continue architectural development. The result of this stage are in the form of efficient architectural development. The result of this stage are in the form of efficient document for the XYZ College Information System architecture design, which will be a reference in the process of designing the XYZ College Information System architecture design stage. Third, business architecture or phase B, development of a business architecture to support an agreed architectural vision. This stage carried out at this stage are as follows. Analyze business process at XYZ College and map them into a business process working sheet table. Using actor or role metric to show which actor have a role is business function. This metric use RACI rules. Business architecture gap analysis. To analyze the state of the business architecture. Business process model and notation to describe the flow of business process. Okay. The result from the three initial phase of TOGAF ADM are as follows. Preliminary phase, the artifact used in this phase are the catalog of architectural principle or principle catalog as in table. Okay, architectural principle and principle category. One, improve the company business function. Principle category, business principle, centralized application, business principle, responsibility for the use of information technology, business principle, data is an asset, data principle, data can be searched, data principle, etc. Next. Phase A, architecture vision. One of the artifacts is in designed enterprise architecture at the architectural vision stage at XYZ College is a value chain diagram. The value chain function to identify the stage of the value chain to further provide added value to the company. In addition, the vision architecture phase produce a stakeholder map matrix. Nah, okay, for the value chain, support activities and primary activities. Support activities, firm infrastructure, financial management, human resource management, technology development, management of information system and computer technology, computer network, procurement, management of facilities and infrastructure, inbound logistic, on primary activities, new student registration, operation academic, student affairs, and internal quality assurance, outbound logistic, student graduate, marketing, public relation, service, feedback, job vacancy, information support, and cooperation. Phase B, business architecture. Before conducting a gap analysis in the academic field, the following architectural targets are determined. 1. Academic information system. 2. E-library. 3. Attendance information system. 4. E-learning. 5. E-journal. Gap analysis is carried out to validate the architecture being developed by pulling out the shortcoming between the current architecture and the recommended architecture. In this study, as a sample, the author took activities in the academic field. In addition, this phase also generates RACI and BPM diagram. Business process model and notation, or BPM. BPMN. As a sample taken from academic activities that focus on the academic process, the diagram used in the business process modeling language to represent the operation or procedures of business architecture. Okay. On BPMN, student, financial department, academic administration, study program, and lecturer. From registration and finish to study result. Okay, next. The conclusion that can be drawn from the study are as follows. It can be concluded that in the early stage of producing the principles that are used as guidelines in architectural development. These principles have been approved by the developer and stakeholders. From the architecture phase, a description of the activities running at STEAM Sumedang was produced, mapped through a value chain diagram. And from the business architecture phase, several gaps in the current architecture with the target architecture were identified to be the focus in architecture development. The result of the three architectural phase illustrate that there are 14 business functions that have no use information system and 15 business function that have used information system. But for some system, they have not been integrated, such as academic system that have not been integrated with learning and e-libraries. Next, okay. Okay. Thank you. This is the explanation of the result of our research. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.